For Barcelona. Deulofeu swings over towards the left. That means he will be more dangerous cutting into his shooting foot. And it will be Alex Vidal out on the right. And Arnaiz pulling the strings to the Barcelona attack. It will be a 4-4-2. Alex Santomé will be the man on that back line. The veteran David Mateus over on that far side. Actually, it was Oriol Busquets dropping back a la Sergi. Whipped inside towards Alcacer, but well defended by David. It took late heroics at the very end of the first half from Deulofeu to set up Paco Alcacer. And then an early goal in the second really put it to bed inside. Vidal touched across, and Paco might not score an easier goal.
Well, Paco's on the mark here, but it's a little bit a good slice of luck here that comes off Alex Vidal with a bad touch and ended up being a good pass.
Well, the luck that is eluding Denis Suarez has landed at the feet, or in this time on the head of Alcacer.
It was started off very early from Carlos Alenya, and Denis Gerard Deulofeu takes over control here. But take a look at this. This is unfortunate for Real Murcia, because there's no question about it. There's a big slice of luck that's presented to the goal scorer by way of Alex Vidal's poor turning and learning his footballing alphabet on the job. Alenya.
Semedo.
That's nice football.
Dani Alves-like to the goal line. Oh! And the right foot shot from Deulofeu just skims off his
Wonderful
boot.
From Semedo. This is him at his best. As I said.
Just ricocheting back and forth in the midfield, but Murcia can't hold on themselves. Vidal slides in, got the ball cleanly. Denis Suarez to his shooting boot.
Nicely.
Alenya settles, chips but high.
Lovely play by Denis Suarez, and Alenya says thank you very much. I'll do better next time, Denis. Wonderful tackle here. It's clean. Denis has got options left, right and centre. Wonderful nutmegs. Again, the tunnel pass providing type of pass from the youngster. Cleans it up again. Shades of Boozy. He's in.
Burst of speed up the middle. Advantage played wide for Deulofeu. And his shot blocked off the back of Vega, it appeared.
Wonderful play by the ex-Villarreal.
Pique staying forward. Overlap is on. Vidal chips it in, and Pique touches it home. By design or otherwise, beauty for Barca. It's 2-0.
I don't know what you mean by design or otherwise. This is a beautifully crafted goal from the captain. And he starts it, and he says, I'll finish it. This is a nicely constructed goal, and that's why you're seeing the big cheesy smile. And he... Lovely play again. Alenya has a lovely ball in. Gerard plays it, sees the run. A nice ball pushed back. Takes a little bit of a rub off the last defender right here. Melgar just doesn't get enough of it, but it's a nice ball. And then this one just rubs away, and Pique stretches out to get the final delicate touch. Not the cleanest passes from Alex Vidal, but...
Scrambling over Alenya. By the way, one...
Another lovely play.
Chance now. Snapped up and in by Vidal. Semedo with the delicate touch. And Vidal caps it off with a third.
Again, look at Carlos Alenya. Finishes it off again. Lovely little touch pass to the outside. That's a really sweet little header. Again, lovely build-up. That arching, looping header is executed as good as you get this time. That is a tremendous header from Vidal.
Just over the outstretched arms of Santomé. The 70th minute, now 68th. 3-0 on the scoreboard. Arnaiz almost gets a second. Good ball from Vidal. Shielding by Deulofeu. Tried the left-footed shot. Paco with a bit of a trick. With the back heel straight to Digne. Suarez. Roberto back for Denis Suarez. Oh, what a pass. Oh, what a goal. 4-0 Barca.
Past Alex Vidal. But this beautiful ball here played in by Sergio Roberto is pixel perfect passing. Again, outside, run, inside the box, and the dagger is presented. And there, as you see, Sergi, absolutely perfection with his pass.
Barca to add to their haul. Vidal looking to go coast to coast. Alcacer in the middle uses Suarez, sweeps for Arnaiz, tees it up, left foot, buries it. More than making up for the last one. 5-0 Barca.
Wonderful placement this time from Arnaiz. He slots it. 8-ball, top pocket, Minnesota Fats. Beautiful. Wonderful play by Denis, and that strike is detonated beautifully. No deflection, lovely hit. Was Barcelona ahead of this game were 4.5 goal favourites.
And they make it 6. Almost, but on the wrong.